Hi all, welcome to ES Technologies. Today we'll continue with next topic in Excel Foundation. It is deleting rows or columns from a table. So in the previous video we have seen how to create a table, how to insert new columns, new rows in a table. Now we will see how to delete rows or columns from a table. So rows or columns delete cheyali ante select the row which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete row with roll number 2. This roll number 2's data I want to delete. So delete చేయాలంటే ఆ సెల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ go to home tab. In home tab in cells group we are having delete option. Click on delete. Delete ఇందులో delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, delete table rows, delete table columns. Everything is there. Now I want to delete the complete row. So delete sheet rows. Select this option, delete sheet rows. Okay, see roll number 2 అనేది మనకి delete అయిపోయింది. If I want to delete some column, see I want to delete subject 5 column. ఇక్కడ S5 and subject 5 ఉంది కదా, I want to delete that column. To delete that column, what we have to do is select S5. S5 ఏదో కాలమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి, ఏదో ఒక సెల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. S5 కాలమ్ లో సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత delete లో delete sheet columns. S5 అనే కాలమ్ మొత్తం మనకి delete అయిపోతుంది. So in this way we can delete rows as well as columns. Next method is I want to delete roll number 3's row completely. Roll number 3 row delete చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. First method we have seen delete option. Next method is right click చేయండి. Shortcut menu will appear. In that shortcut menu select delete. Delete లో delete table columns is there. Delete table rows option is there. If I select table rows, see roll number 3 row has completely deleted. ఇప్పుడు నేను S3 delete చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. S3 లో ఏదో ఒక సెల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ రైట్ క్లిక్ delete table columns. See S3 అనే కాలమ్ delete అయిపోయింది మనకి. So in this way we can delete rows as well as columns from a table. Next topic is moving a table. Moving a table. To move a table, what we'll do is I'll make this table little bit shorter. I'll delete these 3 columns. These many rows. Delete. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Roll number, name, subject 1, subject 2. These 4 records are there. 4 rows are there. Now I want to move this table from one place to another place in this worksheet. So first select the table. Tables first select చేయాలి. Table select చేసిన తర్వాత select the table. After selecting the table, what we have to do is see, observe the mouse pointer. All of you observe the mouse pointer carefully. Now the symbol of the mouse pointer is like this. But if you get to the corner of the table, so table corner ki select తీసుకెళ్తే the mouse pointer will change to 4-sided arrows. It will change to 4-sided arrows. So 4-sided arrows వచ్చిన తర్వాత just you can drag the mouse to the required position. ఎక్కడికైతే మూవ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో అక్కడికి మౌస్ ని డ్రాగ్ చేయండి. I will move it to this location. See, the table has changed. The table has moved from one specific location to other location. So see, now if you want to move back, see again same to the card. First table select చేయాలి. Select చేసిన తర్వాత 4-sided arrow వస్తుంది. If you get the mouse pointer to the corner of the table corners లోనే 4-sided arrow అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. Middle of the table లో it is not possible. So corner కి 4-sided arrow ఎప్పుడైతే చేంజ్ అవుతుందో అప్పుడు you can drag to the desired location. This is how you can move the table. The next topic is working with the total row. To work with the total row, first select the table. Table select అయిన తర్వాత select the table, go to design tab కి వెళ్ళండి. Design లో we are having total row here it is there in table style options group. Table style options group లో total row select చేయాలి. సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఆటోమేటిక్గా కింద ఇక్కడ మనకి టోటల్ రో ఇన్సర్ట్ అయింది. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్, ఐ విల్ undo, control Z. Now observe carefully, there is roll number 1 2 3 4, only 4 records are there. Now I'll click anywhere on the table, ఏదైనా ప్లేస్లో క్లిక్ చేయండి. క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిజైన్లో టోటల్ రో సెలెక్ట్ చేయగానే మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా టోటల్ 160 అపియర్ అయింది మనకి ఇక్కడ. సో టోటల్ 160 total row has appeared. That means whatever data is there, for that one total will be calculated automatically. 160 అనేది S2 subject marks total. So total అనేది automatic గా calculate అవుతుంది. If I select total row. Similarly here see heading row, banded rows, everything is there. See here heading rows అంటే heading rows are unchecked. ఇక్కడ uncheck చేసాం కాబట్టి heading row disappear అయింది. If I check this, heading row will appear. See banded rows. Now it is selected. If I deselect it, if I remove the selection, see bands అనేవి remove అయ్యాయి మనకి. If I select this, bands will appear. You can observe here. See bands have appeared. Roll number 1 3 ఇట్లా bands అనేవి appear అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. This is the various options of design tab. Next topic is removing duplicate rows from a table. Removing duplicate rows from a table is, let me do one thing. I'll insert one more row here. Right click, insert table rows above. Here same roll number 1, sorry, 1, name is suppose X, subject 1 marks are 50, subject 2 marks are 50. Select anywhere on the table. After selecting anywhere on the table, go to design. Design lo manaki ikkada remove duplicates. Select this option, remove in tools group, remove duplicates. Remove duplicates lo manaki remove duplicates click cheyagane manaku oka window open ayindi. What that window says is, see, remove the columns. ఏ కాలమ్స్ ని మనం డూప్లికేట్స్ ఉంటే రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. రోల్ నెంబర్ డూప్లికేట్ ఉంటే రిమూవ్ చేయాలా, నేమ్ డూప్లికేట్ ఉంటే రిమూవ్ చేయాలా, సబ్జెక్ట్ 1 ఆర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ 2. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్ రోల్ నెంబర్. రోల్ నెంబర్స్ రిపీట్ అయిన ఉంటే రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. See, observe carefully all of you. Here roll number 1 is repeated twice. That means one duplicate will be removed. ఏదో ఒక duplicate remove అవుతుంది. Which duplicate will be removed? That means roll number 1 with name X or roll number with name A. Which one will be deleted? Observe all of you carefully. I'm selecting roll number. Click on OK. See which record is deleted. See, one duplicate values found and removed. 4 unique values remain. One duplicate value find అయింది, అది remove అయిపోయింది. Okay. See which record is deleted. First it was with roll number 1 and name X. Second is with roll number 1 with name A. Roll number 1 with name A is deleted. అంటే మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ అకరెన్స్ అయ్యే రోల్ నెంబర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ విల్ రిటైన్. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే డూప్లికేట్ వాల్యూ అనేది రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ అపియర్ అయిన వాల్యూ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద టేబుల్ ఓన్లీ. నెక్స్ట్ సేమ్ రోల్ నెంబర్ అపియర్ అయితే ఆ రికార్డ్ డిలీట్ అయిపోతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ రోల్ నెంబర్ 1 విత్ నేమ్ A has been deleted. I think you have understood about removing duplicates option. Next we will see how to convert the table to range. How to convert the table to range. Table to range means this is the table. Now we will convert back this to normal range. Normal data, normal range ki convert chestam. So how to convert back to normal range is, click anywhere on the table. In designs tab, we are having convert to range. Select this option. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. See, the table has been converted back to normal range. And normal data ki convert అయిపోయింది. This is no more a table. This is normal data what we have entered in Excel. I'll undo this, control Z. Now this is a table. ఇది table అని మనం ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం? Because headings are containing this drop down arrows. ఈ drop down arrows headings లో ఉంటే మనకి ఇది table అని ఐడెంటిఫై అవుతుంది. And bands are there. Even design tab is appeared. ఒకవేళ టేబుల్ ఉంటేనే ఈ డిజైన్ ట్యాబ్ అనేది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. Otherwise this design tab will not appear. See, this is a table, so only design tab has appeared. and even drop down arrows are also there. Now we'll convert this table back to range as I have previously discussed. In design tab, select convert to range option. Convert to range click cheyagane. Do you want to convert table back to range? Yes, the table got converted back to range. See, where is the design tab now? Design tab is no more appearing in the tabs. Various tabs lo design tab anedi ledu. That means this data is no more a table, it is normal data range, normal range. I'll undo this, control Z. Now this is a table. This table, how to convert to range, we have seen design tab lo convert to range. The second method is right click on any of the cell of the table, right click cheyandi. Right click chesin tarvata, see, in the shortcut menu, in shortcut menu we are having table option. Table lo convert to range. See here, convert to range option is there. Click on convert to range. Do you want to convert table to a normal range? Yes, the table got converted to normal range. So two methods are there. One is design tab lo convert to range. Next one is right click చేసినప్పుడు table shortcut menu లో table option వస్తుంది. Table లో convert to range. So these are the two ways how we can convert table to range. Thank you all of you. We'll continue in the next video.